Hey cubies, welcome to Rubik's Technique. Myself Abhang. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This is one of the primary cubes which you want to learn and you have curiosity to learn. Please watch my video till end. I am going to tell you a fact about 2x2 Rubik's Cube at the end. So stay tuned with me. Subscribe the Rubik's Technique channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. We are going to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube in 3 easy steps. First step is solving the first layer or the white layer, and our second step is making the yellow surface on the upper side, and our third step is solving the cube. Let's get started. I will tell you some basic notations about the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This cube has 8 corners and nothing else. So I will tell you the moves. This move is known as the right move. If you know this, you can skip till the given time. This move is known as the right move. This is a R. When we move the right layer upwards, that is known as the R move. And when we move it inverse, that is known as inverse means the opposite move, that is this. That is known as R prime or R apostrophe or RI, that is R inverse. So this was the R and R prime. I will say prime. L prime, U prime, D prime, F prime, B prime. So let's get started. I will tell you how to insert a piece. If the piece is facing us, means the yellow color is facing us, the upper color is yellow, so I will say yellow. Yellow color is facing us, you have to take it to left, take this down, take this to right and take this up. So our piece gets inserted. Sometimes what happens, this piece is facing to right. So what we have to do is take this to right, take this front layer here, and take this here and take it up. So our piece gets inserted. Sometimes what happens, this yellow piece is facing, this yellow color is facing down. What we have to do is take this down, rotate this 2 times and take it up. So you know what you have to do when the piece is facing right. When I say facing right, the yellow color or the main color is facing the right. Sometimes what happens, this piece is on the correct position but it's facing the us. So you have to rotate it. So you have to take it down. As you can see, you have to take it down, rotate it once and take it up. So you can see this is facing us. Oh, you know what you have to do. Sometimes what happens, as you can see, this piece is facing the right side. So what you have to do is take this down, move it to left and take it up. Now you know what you have to do if the piece is facing right side. Let's start. So I have got our cube scrambled. Now let's start. We will start from white. We will take one piece, any piece, and find its corresponding piece to right. So this piece decides which piece is to be on the right and on the left. So we will see green and red piece. Why red? Opposite color to orange is red. So we will remember the color scheme, or you can read in the subtitle. So this is the orange and blue piece. We need the orange and the red piece. So you know this is facing the downwards. We have to rotate this like this so it faces right. So we will take it up. So our piece gets faced. As you can see, now we will find the red and the blue piece. Red and the blue piece, here it is. So we will take this down, take it here and take it up. So our piece gets inserted. Now this is the last piece remaining. So we'll rotate this 2 times and take it up. I told it first because I knew it that we will be needing this insert tutorial. Now let's get to our second step. Our second step is to making the yellow surface on the upper layer. So there are 6 cases in this making the yellow surface. So this is our first case. 2 yellow pieces are facing the correct side and 2 yellow pieces are facing to us. So the same algorithm we have to apply for all cases, but we have to apply from some different positions. We'll take this down, R prime, U2. You can move to any side because this cube has the 4 moves. So moving 2 times doesn't matter. You have to keep this like this. Now move it 2 times. Once more. Take this up. So our white is not also disturbed and this is also gone. So let's get to our second case. This is our second case in which we get 2 headlights facing to us. Now we have to keep them like this, and when we apply this algorithm, we will get a yellow surface. When we destroy these 2, we will get this. Same algorithm is in the description. So this is the main case by which you will be getting the yellow surface. We have to keep this piece to our lower right side, and if this is facing us, if this is facing the right side, you have to keep it like this and apply the same algorithm. You will get a yellow surface. Now let's get to our fourth case. This is our fourth case in which this is not there. In the last case, here was a yellow facing us. So in this case, it is facing here to us by some different side. We will apply this algorithm again. Keep it to us. Now you can see this case. So let's get to our fifth. This is our fifth case in which we get 2 yellow pieces facing the upper side. We have to take one and see whether the piece is facing the right side. If we take this, the piece is not facing the right side. We will take this and apply the algorithm. So we will get 2 headlights. This first case. So second case, third case, and yellow center. So let's get to our sixth case. In this case, you get 2 headlights, but these 2 aren't facing like headlights. So we'll apply this taking these 2 headlights. Third case, and this is solved. So just you have to remember the algorithm and apply them. Now let's get to solve the corner pieces and orient them on their correct position. Our first case is 2. Now this is our second algorithm. Our first case is that we will get a line. Okay, we have to take this line and apply this algorithm. R, B, B, and R, F2, R prime, B prime, R, F2, and this R2. So our cube will get solved. And our second case is you will get no line. So you have to apply the algorithm anyway. R, B, R, F2, R prime, B prime, R, F2, R prime, B prime, R2. So you will get a line. As you can see, you will get a line. Now you have to take this line and match them. Match one corner beside the line. So you will get, and you have to apply this algorithm again. So get your cube done. As you can see, your cube is done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.